Fearless? Hindi, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Ayun na sila!
Okay lang yun.
Baliw, hindi na dito. Hindi ko kasi alam kung kailan sa temple at sila matingin.
Makita lang kita ng isang
Oo, gabi-gabi lang ako.
Thank you ulit.
nakakaaliw, nakakakilig,
Oh man, that's actually kind of cute. Ain't gonna lie, right?
nakakaisip, napapangiti.
Hindi ka na naman umaangal. Sakit, no?
Teka lang muna, wait. Ganito pala. Pinilitin ko po.
Parang pag nakita mo, tatagal sila habang buhat, nakasal sila. Nakita mo yun.
Ang tatlong girls, kinausap ng masinsinan si Elise.
Mama mo, gusto siya. Hindi ko pa alam. My mom kasi has high standards. Kasi nga from my past guys, she lets us. She gave like the freedom, the support for like me and the guy. But it didn't turn out good. So parang she's more now.